Did you know that over 60% of Americans fail to realize the power of retirement savings accounts? By the end of this video, you'll learn how to boost your retirement savings account and avoid some of the common mistakes that most people make in their retirement accounts. So let's jump right into it. Listen, retirement accounts, they are your ticket to a comfortable future. They come with special perks that help your money grow. The three that we will be focusing on today will be 1, the 401ks and its equivalent, which is going to be the 403b if you're in a public sector, or the SEP IRA if you're self-employed. 2, the traditional IRA, and 3, the Roth IRAs. 401k plan. If your employer offers this type of retirement savings account and provides an employer match, you're in luck. Here's why. Many employers will match contributions up to a certain percentage. For example, if you contribute 4% of your salary, they'll also contribute 4% of your salary into your retirement savings account as well. That's free money, 100% return on your money. So aim to contribute at least enough to get that full match. So how much of your salary should you be putting towards a retirement savings account? If your employer matches 4 or 6% of your salary, does that mean that's all you should be putting towards a retirement savings account? Well, some financial experts suggest that you put 15% of your salary into a retirement savings account every year. Now, if you could pull that off, great. Now, I'm just on here spreading some financial education. This is not financial advice, but if I had a twin, here's what I would tell my twin to do. If you would like to contribute 15% of your annual salary to boost your retirement savings, first contribute up to your employer's match in your employer's retirement savings account. For example, let's say your employer matches up to 6% of your salary. Great. Contribute up to that 6% and get that full match. Double your money. Then the other 9% should be invested in a different type of retirement savings account. A different type of retirement savings account? What are you talking about? Well, I'll talk about that shortly, but first let's talk about the traditional IRAs. And this one is also great for reducing your taxable income right now. Contributions are tax deductible, so don't miss out on the chance to lower your taxable income right now. Spread your money across different assets to balance risk and rewards. Watch out for penalties if you withdraw before age 59 and a half. And now for that better type of account, which are the Roth IRAs. With this type of account, the contributions are made after taxes, but at retirement age, the withdrawals are tax-free, and here's why this is great. All your earnings grow tax-free. This is perfect for high-growth investments as well as income-producing investments. Unlike traditional IRAs, Roth IRAs do not have a required minimum distribution. Now, let's talk about investment strategies and risk management. Here are some key tips. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, real estate, and this helps manage risk and can improve your overall return. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay invested for the long haul and take advantage of compound growth. The power of compounding means your returns start generating their own returns over time. To illustrate the power of compounding, let's say you started investing $5,000 every year at age 25. At an annual rate of return of 7%, by the time you are 65, you'll have over $1 million. Now, if you started at age 35, you'll have $500,000. So starting early gives your money more time to grow. Now, if you've already started investing in a retirement savings account, let me know by hitting that thumbs up. Now, here's some more key tips. Review your portfolio and adjust it to maintain your desired asset allocation. This ensures you're not taking on too much risk or missing out on potential gains. Aim to rebalance at least once a year or when your allocations deviate significantly from your target. Understand your risk tolerance, how much risk you're comfortable taking. This will help you choose the right investments. Keep up with financial news and trends. While you shouldn't react to every market movement, staying informed helps you make better decisions. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid in order to boost your retirement savings. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. Even small contributions add up over time. Trying to predict market highs and lows is risky and often leads to poor investment decisions. Instead, stick to a consistent investment strategy like dollar cost averaging, where you invest a fixed amount regularly regardless of market conditions. You also want to watch out for investment fees. High fees can really reduce your returns over time. Look out for low-cost investments. If you need any suggestions, type the word suggestions in the comments below. Keep your beneficiary information up to date. This ensures your money goes to the right people if something happens to you. Review your designations annually or after major life events. Avoid early withdrawals to prevent penalties and lost growth. Your retirement accounts should not be a piggy bank for everyday expenses. So listen, I hope you're finding this information helpful. If you are, great. All I ask is that you hit that like button. It helps the channel out, and subscribe for more personal finance education. You can unlock the power of your retirement savings account by starting early, contributing consistently, using the power of compounding growth, and taking advantage of your employer match, and avoiding some of the pitfalls that we talked about. Now, retirement accounts are essential to include in a financial plan, but what else should you include in a financial plan? Well, in the on-screen video, I share some financial planning tips, so click on that video and I'll see you there.